So hello viewers, welcome to CyberCypher, and this video we are back in Windows from Linux. Well, today we're gonna see an amazing video tutorial of the best video editing app for YouTubers and video editors. Well, I usually use Adobe Premiere Pro and Premiere Rush, but today I'm going to show you an user-friendly interface video editing app, and that's a paid app, and I'm going to show you how can you crack it and download it for free. I know this video is a bit of it's not official and legal, but for those who cannot afford so much money, they can see this video tutorial and they can download the crack. And yeah, so viewers, and now I usually use Adobe Premiere Pro as I said before, and the editing software that I'm going to show you is Photoshop Filmora, and you can see this folder in the description box down below. It will automatically just get into my cloud, and then you can download this as a RAR or a zip file. You can just check out the link in the description box, or you can just go on, I don't know, I will give a website link. It's my official website, just go and check it out. And Wondershare Filmora, those who don't know what Wondershare Filmora is, it's a user friendly and a professional video editing software. It supports 360-degree videos and 4K videos, and also you can just remove noise removal, and it has so many professional advantages in a user-friendly interface. So if you wanna buy this, it will be costing you, and I'm gonna show you how can you download it for free. So you have individual, business, and educational thing over here. How can I activate my Filmora 9? You will be requiring an activation key. Well, first let us see how can you download it. First, close all your windows, all your browser windows and etc., and then just let's close this. So now you have to disable your Wi-Fi connection, so let's disable the Wi-Fi. In my next video I'm going to show you the best video editing software for YouTube in mobile phone or a tablet. You can just go and check it out. It is only available in the Android app. It is available as an Android app. So over here, let us just get inside this, and then inside this you will get it, CyberCypher Wondershare Filmora 9 crack, and here is the password for the RAR archive 123. You have to just type 123 for extracting the password, extracting the RAR file. And now let us just get inside. So over here you have Wondershare Filmora 9 setup, and you can have the readme document. If you forgot some steps, you can just visit this guy over here, and you can have it over there. Just you have to refer it, and done. So over here, let us just close this window, and then let's run it as an administrator. So I think it is lagging. Yeah, sorry for the bad video condition, guys. I think it's lagging. So yeah, there it is, Wondershare Filmora. It is not completed. You have to see the whole video for how to activate it for free. It's the full version but not activated. So let us wait for, make sure that your internet is disabled, and now let us just wait for this to get installed. So viewers, it has downloaded now. Sorry for the bad video condition. Is it good right now? Yeah, it is good. So over here, let us just close this. Not, we should not launch this, so let us close this by go to the task manager over here. So it's opening right now. Yeah, there it is. So over here, let's locate Wondershare Filmora. Where it is? Yeah, there it is. So let's end task. What happened? End task. I gave it a thing. Okay, let's just launch this. No props, just launch it and just wait for it to get launched. Okay, yeah, there you go. This is Wondershare Filmora. And now let us wait. And over here, you have to know a thing that Wondershare Filmora also runs on an Intel Core i3 processor, while none of the other things, other editing softwares, will not run effectively in an i3 processor. Well, I am using an i3 processor. You can have this error. It's just don't worry. If you're having a high configuration laptop or a PC, then it's good for you. And this is when you don't get this and you are just getting into the software, you can just exit it. And now I'm having this error, so I'm exiting it. So it is exit, checking GPU and drivers. So over here it is I think it will be, yeah, okay. And now let's again get into this guy over here, and then let's get into over there. And over here, this is the thing that we've run previously. This is the setup file, and over here you can see the crack file over there. Okay, just click that, and then you can see an application called as patch. Well, you have to run this as an administrator, so let us run it as an administrator. You should disable Wi-Fi. So over here you can have this over there. So just follow these commands. Okay, so if you have already activated Filmora 9, and if you're having some registration problems, you can just type 2, and if you don't want to activate or don't want to do anything, you can just uh, click 3 and exit. And if you want to patch and activate Filmora for free, you can just click 1. So I'm clicking 1 because I want Filmora to get activated, and hit enter. So let's hit enter. So it's starting right now. So it's cracking the Filmora 9. Okay, yeah, executing, please wait, stopping application service, creating registration, and now, yeah, patch finished. So any key to generate registration data. So over here it will open a notepad over here, so you can have the instructions what to do. Open Filmora 9 application, click the help tab and activate, and click the word pad in the low button to provide. Okay, now you have the licensed email which is generated automatically over there. So let us open Wondershare Filmora now again. Yeah, third guy, who's that? I don't know. So it is generator. Okay, so here it is, Wondershare Filmora over there, and now I'll get the error again, so let's continue it. initializing. Okay, so let's wait. When you're opening it for the first time, it could just take some time to initialize and open. So Photoshop Filmora is opening right now. Okay, over here I already know what to do. If you want to do this, you can just follow the tool, and over here let's just get into, as this notepad instruction says, let us just get into help and activate Filmora. What's this? Let's activate it. So there it is, activate Filmora 9. So let's click that. So unactivated is, it's right now unactivated. So, and over there click here, press on the click here word button in the lower part of the registration window. So where it is, click here. Okay, there you go. There are two, click here and enter provided registration below. Okay, so I think this is the thing. Okay, let's click that. So over here you have the licensed email and activation code for it, and let's just copy this. Just do it, man. 592. Let's copy it and let's paste it, and in the activation code let's copy the activation code. And now let us just copy the activation code. Yeah, we've copied. Okay, and now let's just paste it and click activate. Yeah, we're done. So Vanisha Filmora has been registered. Okay, so now you'll get Wondershare Filmora for free for your lifetime. But if you uninstall this, you can just follow this process again. You can just download that rar file again or a zip file again. So that's it. You can import and export videos as your own, and I'll be showing you some tips and tricks in Wondershare Filmora 9. If you want to just see it, you can have it. License has been activated successful. So that's it. Bye, and also please subscribe to my channel.